Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog hair remover that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the ChomChom Pet Hair Remover. Removing pet hair has never been easier. With the ChomChom roller, you can easily remove hair from carpets, car seats, beds, sofas, pet beds, and fabric surfaces with a back and forth motion. It has a rolling part that seeks out hairs that are in its path. Looking closer at this roller, you'd see that it's made up of what looks like hundreds of tiny to the work of catching fine hairs. Unlike the adhesive-type hair removers, this is reusable. It does not use any battery or electricity, so it's very economical in the long run. The ChomChom roller has an ergonomic handle, and there's a button that you push to open the hatch to clean out the collected hairs. Pet owners use this on their clothes and suits, and it works perfectly. It has no problem picking out those annoying hairs from fabric and soft dresses. It works best if you lay the clothing on a flat surface first, then run ChomChom on it. For the job it's designed to do, which is removing hair off the fabric, it is number 1. But take note that it will not work on tiles and floors, or pick out debris other than fur, as noted by some pet owners. Moving on at number 4, we have the Fur-Zoff Pet Hair Remover. Fur-Zoff picks it up where other cleaning tools left off. You just sweep it off upholstery and fabric surfaces and it draws fur like magic. It's a cleaning tool trusted by professionals in auto detailing because it's that good. The surface of the Fur-Zoff Pet Hair Remover is like that of stone, and it has gentle edges which your hand can curve around comfortably. Its hard form does not make it the best thing to use on plastic or wooden surfaces, such as those in your car's dashboard, because it would cause marks. So don't throw away that hair-laden carpet yet, as one dog owner was about to do, until you've tried Fur-Zoff. It will pick out embedded hair and bring it out to the surface. The hair may fly off and land back on the surface again, so once Fur-Zoff pulls away hair, it's for you to gather and dispose of. At number 3, we have the SuperiorMaker Pet Hair Roller. This pet hair remover pack from SuperiorMaker includes 1 lint roller tool and 5 adhesive rolls, with each roll containing 90 sheets. This tool removes hair, lint, dust, crumbs, and all types of tiny debris on clothes, furniture, upholstery, beddings, and any surface you'd want to wipe off clean. This is different from the T-rollers, like those from ChomChom and Butler Home Products, because the handle aligns with the roller. You'd hold it the way you hold a human hairbrush. The roller is 4 long and handle is a bit over 4. The roller is 2 in diameter. Pet owners find it a clever idea that the end of each sheet is cut diagonally. It makes it so much easier to locate that demarcation when you need to remove a used sheet from the SuperiorMaker Pet Hair Roller. The roller turns smoothly, unlike most sticky rollers which you need to press firmly. SuperiorMaker's Pet Hair Roller glides so smoothly and the adhesive sheets are so sticky that there's barely any effort when using it. At number 2, we have the Chemical Guys ACC_S06 Professional Rubber Pet Hair Removal Brush. Now, this best dog hair remover looks like a human hairbrush. The Chemical Guys Professional Rubber Pet Hair Removal Brush is made from composite rubber. It is 10 long and 1.25 wide with rubber bristles that are 1 inch long. It works like a magnet by creating an electrostatic charge to attract fur, lint, and other tiny debris. It has an edge over the sticky types because this brush works on any type of surface and will not leave any sticky smudges. Dog owners who regularly give their dogs a ride have finally found their all-time hair and debris remover with this tool. The Chemical Guy Rubber Pet Hair Removal Brush is effective on their car's leather upholstery, dashboard, and carpeting. It's safe for plastic and rubber surfaces, and will not leave unsightly marks or damage to the car's interior. One thoughtful addition is the built-in squeegee along one side of the brush where the bristles are. It gives glass, mirror, and dashboard surfaces that final touch for a spotless finish. This is a very sustainable tool because it's washable, limitlessly reusable, and durable. And finally at number 1, we have the BrazilianMat hair removal. We've named our first 5 products, and each came with a handle. This BrazilianMat pet hair remover does not, and it's perfect for tight spots where a handle and a tube-like contraption would take so much space, like that tight corner where surfaces of the sofa meet. These spots are where shed hair gather in large numbers because they're pressed tight and most inaccessible to lint rollers. The BrazilianMat pet hair remover works in open spaces, too, and actually covers a large area with just one swipe. A sheet measures 8.5 by 11 inches, the same as short-sized book paper, and comes in a loose leaf pad of 25 and 50 sheets. The sheets can be used multiple times before they're discarded. The pat and press method of cleaning surfaces works perfectly for hard-to-reach spots and crevices. Pet owners who use this mat-type hair remover cut it to smaller sizes because they don't usually need the whole sheet, and that makes it more economical. This is made of paper so it can be used on curved objects, which is its edge over the roller types which are applicable only on flat surfaces. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.